Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's at the heart of the financial world, IPOs, or initial public offerings. If you've ever wondered how companies transition from being private to going public, this is the video for you. Let's get started on understanding how IPOs work and their significance in the primary market. What is an IPO? So, what's an IPO? An IPO is when a privately owned company decides to raise capital by offering its shares to the public for the first time. In other words, they're opening up their ownership to outside investors, and these investors become shareholders. The process. Here's how it works. First, the company chooses an investment bank to underwrite the offering. This bank assists in setting the IPO price and promoting the offering to potential investors. The company also needs to go through a rigorous process of disclosing its financials, business plans, and potential risks to the public. Going public. On the big day, the company's shares are listed on a stock exchange, and trading begins. This is when the company officially goes public, and its stock can be bought and sold by anyone in the public market. The benefits. Why do companies go through all this trouble? Going public has several benefits. It raises a significant amount of capital that can be used for expansion, research, or paying off debt. It also provides liquidity for existing shareholders, like early investors and employees with stock options. Bonus tip: the quiet period. Now, here's a bonus tip for you. During the IPO process, there's something called a quiet period. This is a time when the company and its insiders are restricted from making certain public statements to avoid influencing investor opinions. It's an important regulatory requirement to ensure fair and accurate information dissemination. To sum it up, an IPO is a major step for companies looking to grow and gain access to public markets. It's a complex process that involves regulatory hurdles, financial disclosures, and strategic decisions. We hope this video has shed light on the world of IPOs and how they shape the primary market. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Feel free to drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy investing.